In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a printer to iPhone. Need to print directly from your phone? AirPrint makes this ridiculously easy, and I'll show you how to connect any printer in under a minute. Printing from iPhone used to require complicated setup, but AirPrint has made this incredibly simple. Most modern printers support it automatically, and the setup is usually just a few taps. First, make sure your printer supports AirPrint. Most printers made after 2010 do, including HP, Canon, Epson, and Brother models. If you're not sure, check the printer's manual or look for the AirPrint logo on the box. Here's the setup. Make sure your iPhone and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network. That's literally the only requirement for most AirPrint printers. iOS will automatically discover compatible printers without any additional setup. To print something, open any app with content you want to print, photos, Safari, mail, whatever. Tap the share button and look for print. Your iPhone will show you all available AirPrint printers. Select yours, choose your settings, and hit print. What if your printer doesn't support AirPrint? You can still make it work using the manufacturer's app. HP, Canon, and Epson all have free iPhone apps that let you print to their older printers. Just download the app and follow the setup instructions. For advanced printing options like double-sided printing or specific paper sizes, tap Options in the Print dialog. You can adjust quality, number of copies, and page ranges right from your iPhone. If your printer isn't showing up, try restarting both your iPhone and printer. Also, make sure your printer isn't in sleep mode. Send a test print from a computer first to wake it up. Thanks for watching.